Okay, figured I'd do a quick update at this point. So like I said before, I removed all the buildings and whatnot, also removed all the track, and then I went back and decided to get more 2-inch foam board. Reason for doing this was to get the relief in the terrain that I was desiring to put the river in. So essentially all I did is I went and got more foam board, cut it down, and used spray adhesive. It was just a 3M spray adhesive, and that holds the boards down and in place. So again, just a quick video. The next step is I'm just going to seal these cracks a little bit so they don't show that much. There's going to end up being cover on top of everything eventually, but and then I'm going to paint. I'll post another video when I'm done with that and get the track back on. Should be able to do that this weekend. Catch you guys later.